Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm a Muse educator, and today we're going to be talking about some chemistry. Have you friends ever made a cake or cookies? When you've done that, you've done chemistry in your own home. Now, chemists, they like to mix lots of ingredients together and see what happens, kind of like when we do our baking. When you bake, you have flour and sugar as your ingredients. Well, when chemists bake, they have the elements, and they've put them all together in the periodic table of elements. Now they have 118 different elements that they can use to mix in. Now one of the elements is even called Tennessean because they discovered it here in Tennessee. Now these elements, they come in three different what we call phases. They can be a gas, they can be a liquid, or they can be a solid. And they can change from the different phases into other ones too. So what we're going to be doing today for our chemistry experiment is we're going to be taking a solid, we're going to mix it with a liquid to see what happens. So in order for this activity, you need to have a balloon, an empty water bottle, vinegar, baking soda, a teaspoon, and a little funnel. So what we're going to do first is you're going to take your vinegar and you're going to put about an inch of it into your bottle. All right. Then we need to put some of our baking soda into our balloon. So we're going to use our little funnel. We're going to put about a teaspoon of baking soda into it. Shake that in there. All right. Now, you're going to stretch your balloon over the bottle's top without getting your baking soda in. So we have a liquid in the bottom of our bottle, we've got a solid in the top in our balloon. What do you think is going to happen when we mix them? Let's give it a try. Tilt up your balloon and shake all of that baking soda in and let it go and see what happens. Okay, so what's happening is we have a chemical reaction going on, and it is causing gas to be given off. You can see the bubbles going on in there. So what we've just made is a gas called carbon dioxide, or CO2. And gas, it loves to fill up as much space as you give it. So that's what's happening now, is it's filling up the balloon because it's extra space that it can go into. Now, after we've made this, we can try and use it to put out a fire. So have an adult help you light a match, a candle, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull off your balloon. There you go. We just put out our candle using the carbon dioxide inside of our bottle. How that works is carbon dioxide is a heavy gas. So what it did is it surrounded my fire's flame, and then our flame couldn't get the oxygen it needs to breathe like we do, and so it put out our fire. And that's how you make a homemade fire extinguisher. Thanks friends for joining us today.